we're going to talk about surface area of pyramids. A pyramid has a base on the bottom that is a polygon, and it has lateral faces that are in the shape of triangles that make up the sides. There is no top to a pyramid. In order to find the surface area, we need to find the area of every face and then add them together. We're going to use this example over here on the left side of the screen, and the measurements that we find here says that the base of this pyramid is 5 inches, and since they only tell us one measurement, then that implies, or that tells us, that we have a square pyramid. So if that's 5 inches, then this side is also 5 inches. And then we know that the height of the lateral surface is 8 inches. Okay, so we're going to find all the faces, the area of all the faces. So to begin, we have to find the area of the base, which in this case is a square. It looks like a parallelogram, but that's only because of the angle we're looking at it. It's really a square. And so to find the area of that base, we multiply base times height, and base times height gives us 5 times 5, which is 25 square inches. The lateral surface is the triangles in this case. And so we're going to start with this first triangle. And we have this measurement given to us that says that the height is 8. Well, we know that the base is still 5 because the base of the entire pyramid is a square, and we knew that those measurements were 5 by 5. Therefore, the base of the triangle is 5. So we use 1/2 base times height, and we end up with 1/2 times 5 times 8. Half of 8 is 4, so 5 times 4 is 20. Now, I know that I'm going to have 20 for every single face on here. So I've got 20 for the right side, 20 for the left side, 20 for the front, and 20 for the back, which means I've got 25 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, which gives me a total surface area of 105 square inches. In this example, we've got a net of a pyramid. And so here we're going to realize that they give us one measurement of the base. Therefore, they are also telling us that this side is 4 inches. So we have a square. So what we need to do is we need to find the area of the base. And in this case, we're going to use the formula A equals base times height. So area equals 4 times 4, and the area of the base is 16 square inches. Now we're going to work on the area of the lateral surface, and I'm just going to call them triangle. Once I find one area of the triangle, I know every triangle because they're all the exact same size. We use the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height. And this means we have 1/2 times the base is 4, the height is 3. So half of 4 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. And so when I add all these together, I've got 16 plus, I've got 6 for one triangle, plus another 6 for, let's say that the first 6 was for the top, the next 6 was for the bottom, and then let's say 6 for the left and 6 for the right triangle. Okay, when I add all those together, I get 40 square inches because that's the surface area, 40 square inches. And here's the last example we'll look at. This is a square pyramid again. I know that it's square because they tell me the measurement of one side, but maybe not the other side. So we're going to say that that is 6 feet. And we see that the height is there in red, which is 9 feet. So first we're going to find the area of the base, which in this case is a square. So we're going to use area equals base times height. This is 6 times 6. So the area of the base is 36 square feet. Now we're going to move over to the triangle side. This formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. And the base is 6. The height is 9. So area equals, half of 6 is 3 times 9, which is 27 square feet. Now that's just for one of the lateral surfaces. We're going to call that the right side. So now we need to go and add all of them together. So we have 36 for the base plus 27 for the right side plus 27 for the left side plus 27 for the front plus 27 for the back. And when I add all of those together, I get 144 square feet.